AutoLAB is a suite of multimedia learning materials that supports vocational training in automotive technology for the post-16 sector. Students are engaged by videos, voiceover instruction and interactive tests, whilst learning the practical and theoretical aspects of automotive technology.
We started off this morning with a PowerPoint presentation. That's very good because it's easy to rip nuts and bolts apart and take components off of anything, but actually they need to know why they're doing it and how that part works. I can print off at any time, any frame that I need to from the presentation. Students therefore don't have to write so many notes down, which is a big advantage for our students. We then move on to using the rigs where they can actually put the knowledge they've learnt from the PowerPoint presentation into action using proper hands-on tools and equipment.
It helps you quite a lot. It's easier because you can see it done on the board and then you can go and do it practically as well. As in a workplace, you wouldn't be able to do that.
The good thing about it is, well, we can split the students up into little groups. So if I've got 3 students who are currently working on braking systems, I might have another group of students who are working on engines, another group working on suspension. And when they get into the garage situation, they then help each other out as a team and share that information. The lesson becomes so interactive, we can have a theory, a practical lesson all going on in one go.
You can actually use the computers at the same time as you use the rigs as well, so you can interact with them both.
Switch the meter to the appropriate range.
Because each individual student gets onto their own computer, their own password, they can work at their own speed. And it's very easy to monitor because from my main computer, I'm able to see exactly which student's working on which assignments. I can tell what question they're on, if they're stuck, if they need help. I can monitor that and give that extra help to suit their needs. Okay, so what's that telling us? Test drive shows high idle speed, hesitation, surging and a flat spot. The AutoLAB equipment allows us to tailor-make the courses to suit the type of garage that students will be working in. So it actually allows us to look at our type of student, the local area, and what the local industry demands from what we're teaching here. We used to just have, say, a blackboard and a textbook really, and write lots and lots of notes out. Students today like to be more actively involved. And in all honesty, the motor trade's about being actively involved. When they're working in garages, they're actually working practically with their hands. And the equipment we have through AutoLAB allows them to look at the computer, then go off and take that knowledge and put it into practical work on the rigs that we have here. I think if we lost all of this equipment tomorrow, I'd lose probably 75% of my students, in all honesty.